What's up? What's up? All right. So today I'm gonna be unboxing. I believe it's pronounced oontz Angle 3 Ultra. And yes, I got it from Amazon. I got it a couple weeks ago, back in December, it's already January. And I haven't had time. I've been busy being a dad and all that. So here it goes. Alright, there it goes. So, start off with the packaging, right? Let's see how it was packaged. Alright, little bubble thing on top. Alright, cool. And that's it. One bubble on the side and another one on the other side. And the box is cornered. So this is how it is. oontz Angle 3 Ultra. So just, this is a Bluetooth speaker. I got it on Amazon for, I would say, about, I don't remember quite frankly, but it was like $25 maybe. 25 to $30 or in between somewhere. And I have this one that's down here. I have that one right there. But I guess this one right here is like the upgraded version of that one. They're both oontz Angle 3. This is the Ultra, so it's a little bigger. It has 14 watts. The other one has 10. So I'm a little happy about that. The other one goes louder, but obviously it can't be too loud. So let's see, the main thing that caught my attention about this one, it was that you could play two speakers at the same time. So that's a nice addition. Just so you guys could see what it is. I guess it comes with a carrying case, or you can get one. I don't know. I got my hands to carry stuff, so. And I guess this is the speaker itself. Okay. Alright, just in case you guys want to see the bottom for whatever reason. It is by Cambridge Soundworks. I mean, the other speaker I got from them, it's good, so I have pretty high hopes for this one. Comes in a little plastic bag. I don't think the other one came in a plastic bag like this, so that's a little different. Alright, let's get it right, get it tight, that's how it looks. Come on now. There we go. I knew I could get through. Always get through. Alright, get this shit off my fucking shit. Voila. This is the back of it. The back of it had this little, I guess you call it support stands. Oh shit, this one goes in. What the fuck? This one's rubbery. Alright, well, might as well compare it to the other one. This is the third one too, right? So yeah, a little bigger. This one doesn't really go in though. This one's solid rock. But this son of a gun is... Okay then. Get the fuck over there. That's where you belong. Thank you. Alright, so let's see what information tells us right here. Okay. Well, now, this is the first turn from the back. First turn. So yeah, alright, I'm starting like this already. So this, pretty sure it's with the aux and the charger. Yeah, so it does have aux. Just in case you have a device that doesn't have Bluetooth. The charger is your regular USB Type B. Yeah, because Type C is the wider one. If I remember correctly, I know the little small one plays like 8 hours straight on a single charge. It takes like 4 hours to charge fully. This one, I believe it plays like 12 hours or 10 hours or something like that. I don't know what the fuck this is right here. Shit. really, I don't know what the hell that is. Maybe it might say in the paperwork. So the loudest part of the speaker will be this side. Yeah, you could. I don't know if you can see it in there, but you can see a little sign. You focus clearly. Like on the left side, barely see it. That has two. I like how it feels though. It feels a little rubbery right here. Okay, so it does have buttons, obviously, right? The speed to turn it on. Let's try it out. Does it come with life or is it dead? Oh, it comes with life. See a little blue thing right there blinking. Oh, it's not blinking no more. You son of a bitch. There you go. I don't know how much percentage it has. So, normally, I mean, this looks pretty much the same, right, as the other one. The other one, the little older version. It's about the same, you know, give or take. So then, I mean, this is it. It is Bluetooth. It's what is it? Weatherproof or that nonsense? Wait, what? Oh, okay. I was just thinking, like, where the fuck is the motherfucking Okay, so button length connectors, play horizontal vertically. Yeah, you can stand it up, hey. Brand connected device, Bluetooth, yeah, connect two speakers. You could also talk, like you're bumping music or whatever, and you get a call. Yeah, you could answer it. You can answer it directly from the speaker, which is kind of cool. And I used it a couple times, especially when I'm in my car. That's the only time I use the speaker because I don't like the radio. I don't like be playing bullshit. I don't like being limited to the music I could hear. So I just connect my phone. I never use my radio. Yeah, just a little, you know what I'm saying? Like, just so you guys can get an idea of like how this shit works. And I don't know, maybe you guys would like to get it or compare it to something else. I don't know, you know, what you guys are into, what you guys trying to do or what, but this is the last one because it's like a gang of papers up in this shit, so you know what I'm saying? So for sure, let's look at the battery at least. See, like charge each up to 7 hours to fully charge a low battery. Alright, how long does it play? Oh, up to 20 hours on a full charge at 2, 3 volume. Yeah, I like to play my shit high as fuck, so I would have it on 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So it might last about 15 hours, you know, that's still pretty good. Ain't gonna lie. Ain't gonna lie. Alright, I don't know, I mean, you know, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys want me to do, try it out video, you know, see how loud it is, see how it sounds with when you get to receive a call, when you answer a call and all that. Just let me know, you know, I mean, it plays up to 100 feet apart, so you can really, I mean, that's where, I would believe that's where everything clear, but even with stuff on the way, like 90 feet, you know, like for sure. So, I mean, it's cool, it's good. Why not? And then the cables, they're right there. It comes with I believe a charger and the aux cable, because it does have an aux feature, and yeah. Here would be the aux cable. Yeah, this is the aux cable. Boom. And then the charger. Boom. Yeah, it's cool. I got it from Amazon, like I said, and I don't know. I'm pretty sure this speaker's gonna be good. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. If you guys want me to do like a little test video on it, so you guys can really get a better perspective on it, I would glad to do that. Alright, see you guys next time.